I'm in a 2015 Lincoln MKC, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first, you open the hood and make sure the vehicle's off and cool. You don't want to work with this system while it's hot, since this system works under pressure and that coolant can get to a boil. You don't want a bunch of poisonous liquid to shoot out on you. Make for a bad day. But this would be the coolant reservoir you add to, and on the side you should see a maximum and a minimum line. You do want some air gap so you don't fill it all the way to the top. But with the coolant you've got, you want to try to match the color, and ideally the same brand as well if you're able. Best not to mix and match. But from here you would just unscrew this, and then either with a funnel or straight from the jug, you would just pour directly into here. Fill as needed through here, and then when you're done, screw this back on nice and tight, and double check there's no cracks through the reservoir, looseness in the lines, anything like that. Sometimes these hoses need replaced. Sometimes if they get too hot, these radiators can get cracks as well. So check through all of the system around the motor as best as you can. Another way to check too while the system's on is while the coolant's circulating through, you might see some coolant start to puddle under the car or around. And one way to tell that, apart from like water condensation, well, a few ways, is it'll have a slight sweetness smell to it. It should have a slight coloration to it. And you don't really want it on your fingers, but say even on like the glove, if you feel it, it'll just feel slightly more slick than what coolant would feel like, or than what water would feel like. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.